Smoking. Tobacco has been around for centuries, but our understanding of the health consequences of smoking is much newer. For example, smokers tend to die more than 10 years earlier than non-smokers. Quitting smoking can help you improve your health. Smoke's over 5,000 chemical substances come into contact with the body's tissues with each inhalation. Tar, a black, resinous material, coats the teeth and gums from the start, damaging tooth enamel and eventually causing decay. Smoke also damages nerve endings in the nose over time, resulting in a loss of smell. Are other types of tobacco less harmful? Many people believe that smoking a cigar is less dangerous than smoking cigarettes. However, cigar smokers are subject to many of the same risks as cigarette smokers, including cancer. Chewing tobacco and smokeless tobacco products are no less dangerous than cigarettes. Almost 30 cancer-causing chemicals are found in smokeless tobacco. E-cigarettes, vapes, a new form of nicotine delivery, are not the same as traditional tobacco products. In a smokeless inhaled mist, vaping delivers more concentrated nicotine than cigarettes vapor. Asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and cancer are all risks associated with vaping products. What effects does smoking have on your body? Tobacco use harms all of your organs. Tobacco smoking introduces not only nicotine but also over 5,000 chemicals into your lungs, blood, and organs, including numerous carcinogens, cancer-causing chemicals. Tobacco use can significantly reduce your life expectancy. In fact, smoking is the leading preventable cause of death in the United States. Pregnant women who smoke endanger their unborn children. Possible pregnancy side effects include: ectopic pregnancy is a potentially fatal condition in which the embryo implants outside the uterus. Miscarriages. Stillbirths. Cleft palate is an example of a birth defect. Birth weight is low. Is vaping less dangerous than smoking? E-cigarette safety and dangers are still unknown. Many e-cigarettes contain a high concentration of nicotine. Furthermore, vaping may serve as a gateway to other forms of nicotine, such as cigarettes or chewing tobacco. E-cigarette vapors also contain other harmful substances. Inhaling these non-nicotine vape ingredients can result in severe, even fatal, lung damage called DVALI. What happens when you don't smoke to your health? The best way to avoid becoming ill as a result of smoking is to never start. If you smoke, quitting as soon as possible can help you avoid or reverse health issues. You can do the following without smoking. Live a longer life. Reduce your chances of developing cardiovascular disease. Reduce your chances of developing a number of other conditions. Feeling better and having more energy. You'll look and feel better. Improve your taste and smell senses. Spend less money. What happens when a person quits smoking? There is a huge positive upside for those who quit smoking, with almost immediate and long-lasting physical benefits. After only 20 minutes, a smoker's heart rate and blood pressure begin to return to normal. Carbon monoxide levels stabilize after 12 hours, increasing the blood's oxygen carrying capacity. A day after stopping, the risk of having a heart attack begins to decrease as blood pressure and heart rate return to normal. The nerve endings responsible for smell and taste begin to recover after 2 days. After about a month, the lungs become healthier, with less coughing and shortness of breath. Within weeks, the delicate hair like cilia in the airways and lungs begin to recover. It's pointless to pretend that this is all simple. Quitting smoking can cause anxiety and depression as a result of nicotine withdrawal. However, such effects are usually only temporary. And thanks to an expanding arsenal of tools, quitting is becoming easier. Nicotine replacement therapy via gum, skin patches, lozenges, etc. These may help smokers quit smoking. They work by stimulating nicotine receptors in the brain, preventing withdrawal symptoms while avoiding the use of other harmful chemicals. Counseling and support groups, cognitive behavioral therapy, and moderate-intensity exercise can all help smokers quit smoking. Following could be more elaborative ways to help quit smoking. There are numerous methods for quitting smoking. To be successful, you must find a smoking cessation plan that fits your personality. You must be emotionally and mentally prepared. You should want to quit smoking for yourself, not just for the sake of family or friends who are exposed to second-hand smoke. When you make the decision to quit, consider the following. Get rid of all cigarettes and smoking-related items, such as lighters and ashtrays. Do you live with another smoker? Request that they not smoke near you, or persuade them to quit with you. When cravings strike, don't dwell on them. Cravings are fleeting, so concentrate on why you want to quit instead. Keep yourself occupied by doing things with your hands, such as doodling or playing with a pencil or straw. Change any smoking-related activities as well. Instead of taking a cigarette break, go for a walk or read a book. Take a deep breath whenever you feel the urge to smoke. Hold it for 10 seconds before slowly releasing it. Repeat several times until the desire to smoke has passed. Meditation can also be used to reduce baseline stress levels. Avoid smoking-related places, people, and situations. Spend time with non-smokers or visit places where smoking is prohibited, like movies, museums, shops, or libraries. Do not substitute food or sugary drinks for cigarettes. These can result in weight gain. Choose low-calorie, healthy foods instead. Consider carrot or celery sticks, sugar-free hard candies, or chewing gum. Drink plenty of fluids, but keep caffeinated and alcoholic beverages to a minimum. They can make you want to smoke. Remind yourself that you are not a smoker and that you do not smoke. Don't forget to exercise because it is good for your health and can help you relax. That's great news, because quitting puts you and your body on the road to recovery.